Good morning to everyone. Bon dia a tothom. Buenos días. Es un placer para todos estar hoy aquí.
Hello everyone. Thank you for being here. Well, that's a lot of content to go through.
As Mateo was saying, we just try to share with you some of the big news of this 2024.
We will present the work we are doing on chip design very quickly. Designing a high-performance chip is really hard.
We really believe that diversity makes our work better and makes ourselves better.
All right, moving on to the BSC Talks.